for his opening welcome remarks.
So this air show is one which blends both the civil aviation industry and also the aerospace as a manufacturing sector in which we are giving a lot of priorities, and from the point of view of Air Force India. So there is this uniqueness about this year's, the 12th edition of Aero Show India, in that it brings all the three together. Aero India therefore intends and it endeavors.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft was managed by Group Captain Das Gupta.
In a short while from now, Sun, the only helicopter military display team.
Series of roads as it passes in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, as the F-16 touches down,
See, this flying machine has sufficient reserve of engine power and rotor thrust. The LCH is now dived sharply and is gathering momentum to come in front of us to demonstrate sharp minimum radius turns.
ladies and gentlemen, taking to the skies shortly will be the Dassault Rafale being flown by Captain Matthew named Marco of the French Air Force. But to be mentioned, Delta Wing, 4th generation fighter aircraft, Rafale.
Well, you can see the fast speed pass dedicated to Wing Commander Shahid Gandhi, flying just at 180 kilometers per hour.
There are some very unique features, and then there are some features you cannot see which will be inside the aircraft. So it is a new offering, and it is an offering, and 21 because 21 for the 21st century. And so we are offering something very different only for the Indian customer. This is not going to be on offer for anyone around the world. F-16 Block 70, as you know, has been on offer recently in Bahrain and Slovakia, etc. But this particular configuration is unique for India.